Hi everyone, my name is Neha and I'm a Miss England finalist, and I'll be showcasing a makeup tutorial for my day look, where I'll be focusing on my brows and lashes to enhance my natural beauty. And the only products I use for my brows and lashes are from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. Now, before I begin my makeup tutorial, I have prepped my skin with my skincare routine. So this is me without any makeup on my face. And a couple of times a week before I go to bed, I use the Beautiful Brows and Lashes castor oil. Now I'm going to begin with my base, where I'm going to be using a liquid highlight to enhance my natural glow, and then I'll be using my foundation. Now I'll be using a touch of concealer. And now I'm going to use a touch of powder so that my makeup doesn't move throughout the day. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of blusher to add a bit of colour to my face. So now that my base is all done, I'll be moving on to the main focus of my tutorial, which is my brows, where I'll be using the amazing product from Beautiful Brows, which is the Eyebrow Powder Duo in the shades Dark Brown and Chocolate. And I'll be using the Beautiful Brows Angled Brush, where I'll be using the spoolie at the end just to brush out my eyebrows. So that's my brows done with Beautiful Brows. Wow, look at the transformation the product has done to my whole entire face. It's literally enhanced my beauty. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes. Now to finish off my tutorial, I'll just be adding a little bit of nude lip colour. So this is my completed day look. This look would have been incomplete without my amazing products from Beautiful Brows and Lashes that have enhanced my natural beauty.